Hi guys, welcome to Run BTS Club, Run BTS Watch Party, Episode 3. We will start in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Yoongi kind of looks different. That Chinese character just passed by in red, it means death. Jimin is speaking in formal and informal manner. He's switching back and forth. Maybe it's because he's scared. Yeah, it's my first time watching. They had a RM's name Rap Mon or Rap Monster because I think he still used to go by that back then. They actually look pretty comfortable. They're so small. I mean, compared to their size now. Imagine them going to like a amusement park right now. They wouldn't even be able to walk around freely. I'm glad they got to experience amusement parks. Like you see, no one cares that they're there. Chungkook looks so different. Seems like he's the shortest right now. Oh, some choco taco action. I think Jin as the Hyung, he's trying to kind of give more airtime to the camera, kind of talking to the camera and stuff, while all the Dongsengs are just going crazy. Look at RM holding on to dear life. Oh, the Goliath. Who's that next to him? Was it Yoongi? So fun fact for Koreans, or when you say Goliath, Koreans usually think about StarCraft instead of like the Goliath in the Bible. I love that they're having fun. Oh no, we'll be scared now. So when someone's like overreacting, we say over, which comes from the word overreacting. Look at Obi's face. So he didn't really say my stomach hurts. He just said like, "Oh, I feel weird inside," like, which means like I'm about to throw up. Look at his face. Namu Abitabur is a chant that you do in Buddhism. Oh no! They censored his face. But he wants to go home. Oh no. Oh no, another censorship. I thought Jimin was gonna be like that. But no, Hobie. He's also going back and forth in informal and formal language right now. He's about to cry. Oh no. Oh, that actually does look scary. I actually give Hobie credit though. Even though he's scared, he's trying to enjoy it with his crew. That's being more brave, I think. Man, that was quick. Okay. Any questions you guys had? I feel like this episode doesn't really need a lot of cultural explanation. Why is it a culture shock? Because in Korea, being a at least back then, we didn't have a lot of scary rides like compared to the US or other countries. So like even like roller coasters, it's like very easy going in Korea. So like they're when they see like things like Goliath, they're like, "Oh my god, this is America." Are soft pretzels a common fair food in Korea? It's more. I feel like churros are more common than pretzels. What does it mean again when the letters are in red? Oh, the one there was one Chinese character that was in red, which means death. Is switching between formal and informal common in scary situations? I feel like it's like you're like startled. You're like you kind of like mess up your speech, and that's what happens usually. Any more questions? Why do they use Congolese version of heart and mom sometimes? They use hatu. Hatu is usually used for the shape of the heart. Mom is like your feeling. What's StarCraft? It's a computer game that was super duper famous in Korea, made by Blizzard. Why do you eat a lot of churros? Churros are like a fair food in Korea. Do you watch it with English subtitles? Yes, I actually watch it with English subtitles to help pick out those mistranslations just in case. Do you have funnel cakes in Korea? We actually do not have funnel cakes in Korea. Do they use dialect? I feel like they are trying not to use any dialects because using a dialect kind of make you look tacky in Korea. Um, that's why people try to use the proper, standard Korean, the Seoul dialect. And yeah, that's it for Run BTS Watch Party. Thank you. And let me just stop the recording for later for people who miss it.